tip of the day. Sometimes life hits so hard, it feels like you're crawling through the wreckage of everything you built, wondering how you're supposed to keep going. Bills pile up, your phone won't stop ringing, and the pressure feels like it's closing in on your throat. Walking into a bank after that kind of blow isn't courage, it's survival. And that's where your credit report becomes your battle record. Every late payment, every closed account, every scar on that page proves you've been in a fight, not running from it. You use it because you don't have the luxury of pretending everything is fine. You need 6 months to breathe, and you're stepping into that conversation with grit, honesty, and the kind of strength that only comes from being pushed to the edge and still choosing to stand.